Vybz Kartel freed after 13 years. Shocking details of his murder conviction and prison life uncovered. Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Azim Palmer, is a Jamaican dancehall icon whose music defined a generation with hits like Clark's and Ramping Shop. However, his legacy was overshadowed in 2014 when he was sentenced to life in prison for the 2011 murder of Clive "Lizard" Williams. After 13 years behind bars, Kartel's conviction was overturned in 2024, freeing him and sparking massive celebrations across Jamaica. Let's dive into the dramatic details of his conviction, prison life, and triumphant release that have gripped the dancehall world. In 2011, Kartel was arrested for the murder of Williams, whose body was never found. Prosecutors alleged that Kartel and co-defendants Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John killed Williams over two missing unlicensed firearms. A key piece of evidence was a text message allegedly from Kartel's phone, claiming Williams' body was chopped to mincemeat. The 65-day trial, one of Jamaica's longest, ended with Kartel's conviction in March 2014, sentencing him to life with a minimum of 35 years, later reduced to 32.5. Kartel maintained his innocence, and fans rallied with "Free World Boss" campaigns. The turning point came in March 2024 when the UK's Privy Council quashed the conviction, citing juror misconduct after one juror allegedly offered a $500,000 JMD bribe to sway the verdict. The Privy Council deemed this fatal to a fair trial, remanding the case to Jamaica's Court of Appeal. On July 31, 2024, the court declined a retrial, citing the passage of time, lack of witnesses, and high costs, freeing Kartel and his co-defendants. Fans mobbed Kingston streets, chanting "Free World Boss," as Kartel, battling Graves' disease, emerged from prison. Despite incarceration, Kartel's influence never waned. He released over 50 songs in 2016 alone, including the album King of the Dancehall, which hit number 2 on the U.S. Billboard Reggae charts. Recorded covertly, his music sparked debates about prison privileges, though officials denied he had recording access. Kartel also published The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto in 2012 and hosted Teacher's Pet, a reality show, before his arrest. His resilience shone through health struggles and inhumane prison conditions, as noted by his attorney, Isat Buchanan. Kartel's release has reignited dancehall's pulse, with fans eagerly awaiting his next move. His planned New Year's Eve 2024 performance signals a comeback. Was Kartel a victim of a flawed system, or did his bad man image haunt him? Share your thoughts below. Don't miss more exclusive dancehall and true crime stories. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest on Vybz Kartel and Jamaican culture. Hit the bell to stay updated.